Good morning to you all from me, Maxi.
From me, Maro.
We are out flying again. Thrilled about that. Where are we heading for?
We are heading to Kuala Lumpur.
We're going to be flying with Qatar Airways here from Copenhagen, obviously to Doha. We will be doing a transfer and then we'll be flying on to Kuala Lumpur. Let's have a nice time. We'll see you in the lounge, a little bit around the airport, and we're on our way.
Yeah.
Happy Easter to all of you.
Yes, happy Easter.
One can already see that the airport is busy. Maro just went to check the...
It is open.
Is it open?
1 to 9 till 1 to 1.
I'm just going to have a look also. And then we have our gate and check-in at 129 to 132 Qatar Airways. Just got to follow Maro down 129 to what?
132.
There we have our check-in, web check-in, check-in economy, and check-in. So it's going to be a self-service check-in. We must do on the boarding or the machines. Maro's responsible as usual for check-in. We're going to get our boarding tags and boarding cards here. Sorry, not our boarding tags, our luggage tags. Now we're just waiting for our boarding cards and our baggage labels. And there they come. Checked in now by ourselves on the counter. Went sort of smoothly. It took a little bit longer than it would have if we went to the desk, but that technology today, hopefully we'll get used to it more and more. Just took a little bit longer than expected. Maro's just putting our baggage labels on, and then we go over there in the back to put our baggages or check our baggages in, and they will of course go all the way through to Kuala Lumpur, even though we're landing in Doha, changing planes. Off we go to check-in. Check-in counters 126 to 127. And who we have here? Our happy traveler. So, you do the honors. That's Maro's turn, and there goes the baggage. See you in Kuala Lumpur. Off to security we go. Whew. It's like an 11 to 14 minute wait, so we better hurry also when we get up there. We have to go through passport control because we're flying to a country outside the EU, or non-Schengen country as it's called. Next stop is security, and then we'll see you in duty free, and we got to hurry and make our way down to the passport control. And we hope to go to the lounge. I have some lounge passes that I need to use this year as quickly as possible, because we're going to Greece in June. Oh, surprise, surprise. And we're actually going to be flying business class, so we have business class lounge then. But see you after security. And there we go. We just passed through security.
Yep.
You smell it?
Went quite smoothly, even it was a lot of people.
Yeah, definitely smooth, very quick. And I'll ask Maro again, do you smell it?
The duty free.
Da-da-da-da. Some harp music in the background. Harp music? Harp music. Now we're just standing here looking confused. What now? Let's see what comes next.
D gates.
D gates pass through immigration, and then we relax in the lounge. Hopefully we have time for that.
Yes.
Maro's just getting herself a trolley also. It's also good to support her leg. Good call. You lead the way.
Yes. So, vamos.
You've seen the duty free so many times, so okay, we'll show you a little bit more. Little walk through duty free.
For Qatar, it can take a long time until we get in water, so we better buy 1 bottle of water.
Yeah, well, let's do that then. I always said, I'll say it again, Copenhagen Airport has a lovely duty-free area. There's a hustle and bustle here again as usual today. It is the Easter holidays, so there's always plenty of people around the holiday times. To all our regular viewers, you will all know in this direction we used to walk. This was the first place we took a look at the apron. That is no longer. Maro, let's just check the board for our gate also. Leaving at 9:05, Qatar Airways, Doha, gate info at 7:03. So no gate info yet. We're just heading down to the D gates, even though our gate number's not up yet. We just know that we have to go there because that's the only area you pass through immigration. Look how busy it is here. And the missus is limping along. She's doing very well today.
When we went to South Africa, I was nearly losing my leggings here, so I had to buy a new one, you remember?
Yeah, they were falling down.
They were so big. I was running like a turtle in the cartoon.
Nice smells here. Morning, it's about 7 o'clock-ish.
Yeah.
This is a very new area of the airport. Nice restaurant kind of area. Very nice. I must say they've actually made the airport look very nice here. A lot of colors on the walls, a lot of new areas, eateries, etc. Just around the corner up ahead is immigration, so I'll turn the camera off there. See you on the other side. We just passed immigration. Now we're getting a water bottle for the airplane, because sometimes it can take really long before we get something to drink.
Exactly.
And that's not nice when you're dying of thirst on board. And then off to the lounge.
Yes.
Our gate, do you remember our gate number?
See something?
I'll check on the board. Coming up is the lounge. Our gate was C32, so it's not that far from here as far as I can see. And Eventyr Lounge, which translates to the Adventure Lounge. We've tried it once before with my parents. It's a very nice lounge. There is a lift there, Mara, if you want to use it. Priority key and lounge key. Length of visit is 2 hours and not 4 hours as advised on the website. Let's have a quick view outside. A little bit grey weather, as you can see. Ding!
Coffee, coffee, coffee. Not too much because I want to enjoy the whatever we are getting in Qatar Airways.
Yes.
Tredje etage.
And I must just mention also the flight to Qatar from Copenhagen is about 6 hours. And here we have the Eventyr Lounge. Found ourselves a nice table here with a nice view. It's what we like about this Eventyr Lounge. Sort of a 180-degree view out over the airport.
So nice little selection for the breakfast. I took bun and cheese and ham. There's also scrambled eggs and sausages and hash browns and whatsoever. An alcohol-free beer, very nice.
Carlsberg, 0%?
Yeah,
Even though it's morning, Mara.
it's alcohol-free.
And
So it's like
holiday.
drinking water.
Enjoy.
Oh, weird.
Quick view here of the buffet. Needs a little bit of topping up, I can see. Otherwise, we got some nice cold cuts, yogurt, some cereals. Looking okay. There we have. Oh, that looks very good. Scrambled eggs, sausages, beans, hash browns, and potatoes. A bit of Tabasco sauce ketchups and Danish tea burgers. Some pastries. And we got some fruit over here. And beers, beer glasses, and over here we have alcohol-free beer for those of you who don't want alcoholic beverages, and that is the Carlsberg Nordic Pilsner. Good selection of beers too, alcoholic, and of course sodas. Here we have the spirits, also a good selection, and coffees over here. And a lounge isn't a lounge without wine. I'm also organized here. Beans, scrambled eggs, sausages, some cold cuts, cheese, some Danish cold cuts, we call this rullepølse, a bun, and of course some lurpak butter. And Maro led the way. I suppose I had to have a beer also, Carlsberg.
Probably
Nordic.
the best beer in the world.
So she says. Cheers.
Yes.
Not sure if you can see it, but that's our plane landing. Qatar Airways Dreamliner. We both just had seconds also. Maro took another bun. I took another bun also. And a Danish tierbjerges, which is a kind of Danish pastry. Very delicious.
There's Thai Airways, just came.
Just a quick view of the apron before we move on. It's an impressive sight of aircraft. Singapore Airlines, Thai Airways, SAS. And we have Maro sitting very comfortably. We should think about heading for the gate soon. Heading for the gate now. And guess what news Maro just dropped on me suddenly. Maro is normally in charge of luggage, packing, etc. like that. We're going to Kuala Lumpur, 30 degrees, wonderful. Maro didn't pack shorts. I've got no shorts. So we have to go find a Uniqlo or something like that as soon as we get there.
Well, it's not only my fault.
No, it's okay.
You should be telling, should I try the shorts now?
And I always tell, I always check because I'm used to this. I say, Maro, did you pack bathing shorts, socks? Yeah. And then I know.
You said everything else except your shorts. If you were telling, did you pack my shorts? I would say, oops.
Oops. Yeah. So guess who hasn't? Did you pack your shorts?
I don't wear shorts.
Oh, okay, nice. Okay, off to the plane. There's gate C32 up there in front of us. Singapore Airlines Airbus A350. And there we have our gate C32. Next stop Doha. And there we have our plane outside. We checked in. And off we go. Tak. Hi. Thing has begun. Maro's leading as usual, even though she's limping a bit. There's our aircraft, a Boeing 787 Dreamliner today, and a lot of people up there in front of us. So I'm not going to film all the way in, otherwise I'll spend the next 2 weeks blurring faces. So.